You are about to learn from Wanitech Space.
In this video, I've got a very quick solution for you to get into your Google Authenticator and recover all the codes for your two-factor authenticator accounts. Here's what you'll need: the phone where your Google Authenticator is on, and any second device. It could be another phone, a tablet, or even a laptop. Now, here's the deal. You have to be signed in on that second device with the same Gmail account that was linked to your Authenticator. That same Gmail on both devices is very important in this recovery process. Once you're in, open Gmail on the second device. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go into Manage your Google account. From there, head over to Security tab and go straight into two-step verification. You might need to verify that it's really you. Just follow whatever security check Google gives you. Once you're in two-step verification, scroll down until you see the Authenticator option. Open Authenticator. Tap on Change Authenticator app, and a QR code should pop up on your screen. Now grab your original phone, the one with the Authenticator app. Open the app, tap the plus button to add a new account, then choose Scan a QR code. Just scan the code that popped up on the second device, and you'll get a 6-digit code. Tap Next, enter the code, and that's it. All your linked accounts should now be back in your Authenticator. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you.